Hey guys, I'm Jeremy Tardo, fashion and celebrity hair colorist. I am going to show you guys today how to do an all-over color with Clairol's Nice and Easy application. Clairol Nice and Easy has 100% gray coverage, and it's best for overall use all over your hair. I love that the color has a natural appearance. Even in natural light, you can see that the color has a blend of 3 different highlights. The great thing is it's easy to do on yourself at home. So this is Ruslana, and we have previously done some lighter color on her hair. Her hair is naturally quite dark. And today I'm gonna help walk her through just a nice refresh on the lighter color. We're gonna go with Nice and Easy 5G, which I love because it has warm tones, which is gonna work with some of what she has, but also help to blend away her roots and refresh the ends.
Exciting.
So when you're doing this, it's good you can use the tip to help you part the hair. And then first it goes on the roots because that hasn't been colored before. This has already been colored, so we do the roots first. And you basically just can squeeze a line like right onto the root and just move it in with your finger. So once this has been sitting in your hair for 20 minutes, it takes care of your roots, then we're gonna add it to the ends to refresh the rest of the color.
That's easy.
Super easy, right?